Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about Photoshop's undo function. Now we've all had those moments where we've made a mistake and ruined our project, but luckily Photoshop is really good at remembering what we just did. So to undo, simply come up to Edit in the top left and select the first option at the top, Undo. You can also use the inbuilt shortcut by pressing and holding Ctrl on your keyboard and then pressing Z at the same time. This is usually referred to as Ctrl-Z. If you are anything like me, you will sometimes find yourself Ctrl-Zing your way back through your project. So to make things a bit easier, we can come up to our History tab here on the right. Once opened, we should be able to see every step we've taken and then reverse our project back to any point we like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. What's the worst mistake you've made in Photoshop? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks.